Hello everyone, if you want to apply as a call center, I have a suggestion for you. So what is this call center or BPO company na aking isa-suggest? I think 5 or more than 5 na BPO company na in-applyan ko is yung 611 lang yung something na madali and at the same time mabilis yung process. Though naghintay ako ng I think overall na application ko is about 8 hours kasi marami din, pero yung kanyang phases for application ay napakadali lamang. Is yung first phase is kailangan mo ng interview, which is online interview kasi time na yun it's pandemic, still pandemic. And after that interview, pag nakapasa ka sa interview, you proceed to the second phase, which is the last phase. And then pag nakapasa ka doon, it's all about computer skills and grammar, and so parang something related sa computer. And sad to say, I was not accepted. So kasi meron kasi yung ipapaulit sa'yo yung sentence. So something around 3 sentences na hindi ko naman ma-retain sa aking memory. So hindi ko mabigay yung kanyang request. Something like that. So if you want to apply call center, suggestion ko lang 611. Do yung kanyang salary is very competitive naman and at the same time yung incentives based sa aking research bago ako nag-apply sa 611.